What's up, guys? I'm the Strat Man, and I'm here with the Lamborghini in the snow just north of Park City on the Mormon Flats. That orange just completely pops against the white background. I know you guys would rather see the car sitting in the garage, getting polished every day, and me filming videos about how awesome it is to look at, but that's not gonna be me. I drive this car. When I was 10 years old, this is what I dreamed of doing. So we're gonna go see how far we can get in the Lamborghini. This is about a 15-mile stretch of road. We're gonna see if we can make it to the end. You know, I just got the Pirelli winter tires installed on the car, and so far the thing just flies through the snow. So let's go see how she does.
Talk to you.
Does he?
Look, he's backing up.
Is that brake wear? It's not every day you see a Lamborghini in the snow, I guess.
Yeah.
How's that fucker do in the snow?
Unreal. This baby has all-wheel drive, and I just got a set of Pirelli winter tires on it. It just flies.
Real? My daughter wants to take a picture, dude. She loves that car.
Okay,
Oh, yeah?
definitely.
Boy, that's lovable.
Yeah, so
I'm like, yeah, fucking 40 bucks, I'll fill up.
right, yeah.
Come here, Crash, look.
Nice.
Yeah, it's so fun.
Nice.
Yeah, I know. I was like, fuck, this guy's crazy. Bringing that car out there.
I am crazy, but this is why I bought the car. You know, it was to enjoy it. And it's not, especially on this snow, it's not doing anything to the
Yeah, well, I
car.
was thinking, fuckers, you don't realize this fucking road gets bad.
Yeah. Stop and come pick up the camera guy. Oh man. So driving a Lamborghini, there's a couple things you have to figure. I have these massive boots on in case the car gets stuck. I have a shovel in the back. But the problem with these boots is that the gas pedal and brake pedal are so close together that it's super hard to get the car to drive just perfectly. So that's one of the things you have to worry about. We have a ton of snow up here in the wheel wells. This car is due for a major clean. How's it going?
Hey.
This is a popular cross-country skiing trail. I have a feeling this is probably the only time most of the locals out here have seen a Lamborghini. Some of the reactions have been priceless. Anyways, I can't wait to get behind the wheel of this car again, so I'm gonna stop talking and get back to driving. This is unreal. Right up it. Oh, buddy. Maybe not. Wow.
You like flattened it.
Yep. You can see how smooth it is. Oh, she's working right now. Traction control keeps popping on.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, other than this type of snow, you're set with this car.
Yeah.
Just anything deep, and you're screwed. Would you, when you get your Lamborghini, will you drive in the snow, you think?
Yeah.
Yeah. I wasn't sure if you think I'm nuts.
No, like this is freaking awesome.
I feel nuts.
After going on the rally, I realized that it's just a toy.
Right, exactly.
That's all it is. And I bought it to like drive it and enjoy it. That's why I was like out doing donuts in my Porsche the other night in just a wet parking lot.
Exactly.
So I was like, whatever.
I just have the car and only drive it 4 months of the year.
Yeah.
The thing is, I love living in Park City too. So I want to live here, but I want to drive this every single weekend. I mean, I think about it all day at work, all week. I can't wait till this weekend to drive the car. Who cares if there's snow? Yeah. Like this is, and like when I think about my days owning this car, like picking it up at the dealership, that was number one. Yeah. And that'll probably never be replaced. Like that's just pure joy. But then when I think about the drive with Johnny, the drive yesterday and the drive today, like those are the top 4 days right there.
Sweet.
You know, like. This button right here, this is the fun button. If we turn this on, we turn traction control off. You can see the traction control light illuminated there on the dash. Now we're gonna take off. This thing is ridiculous. Do that winter driving academy so bad. It's about, I think it's $8,000 for a day.
Yeah.
Like it's absurd. Maybe I should have been driving on with the lift up.
That's what I was gonna say. Once, like on Tuesday when it snows like 3 feet or whatever, just drive around with the plow, like with it up.
It doesn't
like pushing the snow underneath you.
It doesn't like driving with the lift up though.
Oh.
Like it feels like lethargic or something. Like it's awful.
Okay, do you want me to film it?
Yeah. What an incredible day driving the Lamborghini in the snow. This thing is insane. It just wants to go. We briefly got stuck there a little bit, but as soon as I was able to reverse down the hill and give it some power, no issues. I probably would want to invest in a new front splitter that can use as a snowplow a little bit better, because this thing is very, very low to the ground, but it's just soft snow. These things should be driven in the winter time Absolutely incredible job, Lamborghini. I hope you guys like this video. If you want to see more snow videos, be sure to give it a thumbs up. I'll talk with you guys soon. Bye. This nice. I feel like I stole this. This car is incredible. So there it is. A 2006 Lamborghini Gallardo, finished in orange.